Good evening, myself Amit. I have created a project on video game sales. It is overall globally. Some specific countries are also mentioned in that. I have taken this project from Kangal, the website where we get all the data sets to complete it. So this is my raw data from which I have created my pivot table. I have created a pivot table sheet also in this, so which contain name, journal, publisher, then sum of all the sales globally, some specific countries like Europe, North America, Japan, and other also. So from that I have created a publisher table which contain the sales of other states, Japan, America, Europe, the most which we have mainly focused with a pivot chart also in this, which is included like a graph. Then I have created a platform which contain the platform like which games are included in this, like the set, the versions of the games, and the platform where we can play that. This is also in a chart pattern. Then the year pivot chart I have also created. This all are created in different sheets. After that all I have uh, made a dashboard which contain the colors of specific graphs and all. In that I have added the slicer which is publisher in which we can see which publisher have published the game, which kind of game, and at which year. So there are four to five types of slicer I have added in my dashboard. First of all, publisher, then platform, then year, then global sale, and at the last the journal. It contain all the kind of games like action, adventure, fighting, platform, puzzles, etc. Then the graphs I have added like publisher is it is mainly focused in the middle one, because most of the content is on this part of the graph. Then there are also other kind of graphs like platform, year, global games, global sales, and at the last I have created the uh, chart which contain only the global sales of all the countries which is included in this, like the morely focused on other sales, then Europe, Japan, and North America is also is the most high played these games in overall the world. Thank you.